May I talk to you?
Yes, you can talk to me.
Okay, that's perfect. Please you tell me what's your name?
My name is Saraswati. You can call me Sadaf.
Okay, thank you. So please you tell me what's your father's name?
My father's name is Jashmuddin. He is a businessman.
Very nice. So what's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Sualfa. She is a homemaker.
Very nice. So do you have brother?
Sir, I don't have brother.
Do you have sister?
Yes, I have sister.
So how many sisters do you have?
I have one sister.
Okay, so what's your sister's name?
My sister's name is Shaja.
Very nice. So you please tell me, do you have pen?
Yes, I have pen.
So how many pens do you have?
I have many pens.
Yes, many pens. Okay. So please you tell me, do you have mobile phone?
Sir, I don't have mobile phone.
Okay. Do you have laptop?
Sir, I don't have laptop.
Do you have television?
Yes, I have television.
Do you have television? That means you have television at your home. Okay. Okay. So please you tell me, do you have book?
Yes, I have book.
Okay, that's perfect. Then please you tell me, do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English.
Do you take breakfast?
Yes, I take breakfast.
Okay, so please you tell me. You just tell me, when do you go to school?
I go to school in the morning.
In the morning. Okay, thank you. Please you tell me, what do you want to be in your future?
I want to be army officer in my future.
Future. Army officer? Okay, thank you. Please everyone clap for Sadaf. দেখেছো আমাদের সাদব আজকে কত ভালো করেছে? দেখেছো? দেখেছো? ভালো লাগছে তোমার? আমি তো আজকে অনেক বেশি খুশি হয়েছি, তোমার মুখ থেকে কথা বের হলো। এভাবে যদি একটু একটু পড়ো তাহলে অনেক কিছু শিখতে পারবা, ঠিক আছে? ঠিক আছে, তোমার ভালো লাগছে? ভালো লাগছে? সবার দিকে ক্যামেরা দিকে একটু তাকাও। বাই বাই দাও। বাই বাই।
বাই বাই।
থ্যাংক ইউ। দিস ইজ আওয়ার সাদাব এবং সাদাবের পারফরম্যান্স আজকে আমি অনেক বেশি মুগ্ধ হয়েছি। থ্যাংক ইউ।